In Cabo, there are moments when nature and design move in rhythm, where the sea reflects the sky, and the first light of day dances across glass and stone. Welcome to the Ocean, Wind, and Fire residence at Querencia, where architecture breathes with the landscape, and every sunrise reminds you why Cabo is not just a destination. It's a feeling.
Surround myself, leave this hell ground. Ignite myself, now I'm spellbound.
This is more than a home. It's an element of Cabo itself. The ocean at your feet, the wind through your terrace, the warmth of fire in every sunrise. If this is what moves you, call Laidback Legacy to experience the Ocean, Wind, and Fire residence and discover where design, light, and the sea become one.